How to create an Xbox account step by step. First of all, you have to launch the mobile application or simply open any web browser of your choice. Then head to the official Xbox website. From here, you simply have to tap on the sign in option on the top right corner. From there, you simply have to click the create one option and enter your current email address like Gmail or Yahoo that you want to link to your gaming account. Now click next and create a strong account password and click the next option. From there, enter your personal details such as your country and region, date of birth, and your first and last name. Now verify your email address through the verification code sent to your email. Now you simply have to claim the gamer tag and your profile. Now, once verified, Xbox will generate a random gamer tag for you. Click inside the text box to delete the random name and type your preferred custom gamer tag. Check the visibility and click the Let's Go or Create Account to finalize the setup. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.